guys, Mixed Media Girl here. I'm here with ChelC Paints.
Hey.
I just realized I painted all over my hand. We're going to do a super cool pendulum pour video for you. And she is the queen, I think, of pendulum pours. So you're in for a very fun video. We'll use house paint. I think I already said that in the video or whatever. And just a regular plastic cup, weighted down. This is important. This is what I did wrong the last time. And it's just suspended from a fishing line from the ceiling. Super simple. So here we go.
Yeah, let's see.
All right. You're doing this one, right?
Dun dun dun.
Do you want to do the blue one?
Nope.
No?
ChelC's going to start and show me how it's done.
Okay.
So we're doing 2 colors on here.
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Fly. No pressure.
Take the tape off.
And then she always kind of like just lets it kind of drip there just to make sure the stream's going before you throw
Yeah,
it.
that makes sense. Smart.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's a good flow.
And then how long have you like timed it? Like how long it normally takes? You just let it go.
It just takes a couple
I
minutes.
guess it depends on the
really.
canvas size
Yeah.
or how much you want it to do it.
Get on the side and get ready before it starts dripping.
Yeah, I'll probably
So you just catch it as it swings off. Ah, look at you. Pro.
Ta-da!
Whoa!
Oh my gosh, no pressure. I'm gonna like fall on the canvas.
I do need you to
Stand out.
put this over.
Now one thing you could do just so it doesn't completely overlap is you start from this side throwing it this way, then it kind of
Yeah, I was thinking like, so if you think like here, going like this.
see like her circle's going this way.
Yeah.
So if you throw this way,
Oh, okay. So here, going like this.
yeah, kind of throw it around that way, then there'll be
I mean, I'll
opposite.
try. I will try.
Can't do anything wrong. Just
Well-
as long as you can't throw it in a circular motion,
Don't challenge.
it'll. Shit. As long as you throw it in a circular motion, you're good.
All right. Okay. Here goes nothing. So I'm gonna take the tape off, and then I'm gonna plug the hole, and then I'm gonna let it drip a little bit. Where's the hole? There it is. Okay, just make sure it's good. Okay. If I mess it up, just tell me how much I owe you. Okay, here we go. Here we go.
You owe me nothing. This is good. That color is gonna look so good.
Was that even remotely how I just practiced it?
I
That's
don't know,
good.
But yeah. That's
Okay.
good. Yeah.
I don't know, but it's working out okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't break anything. I'm so excited.
If you look at my blue one, you can see like how the lines started gathering and it's like a thick, bold line.
Yeah. Oh, I see.
Yeah.
And then mine has the red kind of right there.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit.
At one point or another, it'll start going over the same spot.
Okay.
That looks cool.
I think I'm more nervous about this part, actually. Okay, let's look at the kitchen on this side.
There you go. Perfect.
Perfect.
Whoa!
Oh, okay, I did it.
It looks so cool.
Okay, guys, here's our close-up. This is awesome. That's so cool. And I love the paint on the plastic.
Right?
Right? Even just that is so cool. Alright guys, so make sure you go check out ChelC's channel, subscribe, like, share, everything. Show her lots of love. I'll see you next time.